Hey guys, I'm esthetician Trish McCarty, and today I just want to give you a public service announcement in case you were living under a rock like me. These are Remedy pimple patches. I see teenage patients using these all the time. They'll come in from school to get a facial or a chemical peel, and they typically will have these on a pimple, which cracks me up that they went to school all day long with these on their face. I wear them at nighttime typically, but these are fairly discreet, and I'm going to show you real quick. I have this lovely pimple that came up on my face. So fun. I've already tested this out. I'm going to actually show you footage from a few weeks ago that I filmed, and I'm just now having time to talk about it and edit and all that fun stuff. But this is how they come in these little packages, like so. I did try these little patches on like a cystic pimples that are really deep. It really didn't do anything for those kind of pimples, but for a pimple like this where the yuck is sticking out and it's like wanting to come out and you're so tempted to squeeze it, I get it. I want to squeeze it, and I know better. It will scar very easily when it's inflamed like this if you squeeze it. Take these little pads and just apply it to the pimple. And actually, now it looks like you can't even see the pimple as much as you could earlier. So it's like it almost clouds the area, which is why I think these teenagers just go ahead and wear them at school. I probably would too. I probably wouldn't have cared as a teenager, but look, my hair hides that anyway. Insert the clip of me testing it out through the nighttime and how it did draw that yuck out. Alright guys, so that is my quick review on the Remedy pimple patches. Comment down below, have you tried these? Have these worked on your skin? If you're interested, I'll put a link down below so that you can order these for yourself if you like. I know there's tons of different brands that sell similar things. I've only ever tried this one, so I can't speak about those other ones. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!